All right, so I don't know of any videos of these so far, but I had to remove the rear shock on a 23 KTM 300SX. At one point in time, I was told you had to remove the swing arm. I'm just gonna post a video just to show that you do not have to do that. You do have to take off the cover here. You have to loosen the subframe, top and bottom, as well as loosen the clamp on the air boot. Once you get the shock loose and the linkage portions loose, the swing arm and wheel will drop down. You can rotate your subframe up enough, and I've actually confirmed that it's not pulling on any wires, nothing like that. So you do have the ability to rotate it out of the way. Once you get it rotated out of the way, you can see here, you can let it sit on the tire, and actually the shock will come right out out in this fashion here. I did have to take off the head pipe on the 23 300SX, as well as the tailpipe, or the silencer, sorry. And in terms of the shock, it's a little bit different too. It's not like the old style where you had the kind of a little key. This now, the shock goes up. The shock goes up, and this is like a two-piece. So you rotate up until you have all the pressure off the shock. Slide up your washer. This is like almost like a two-piece. It just comes apart just like that. And remove your washer and remove your shock. But no, you do not need to remove the swing arm to get the rear shock out.